All right, financial math classes. We are talking about finance charges again. Remember, the finance charge is the interest that is charged on a charge account, or commonly um, a credit card. So when you use a credit card, you get charged interest. We talked about two methods of how that interest could be calculated. Um, Last lesson, it was the unpaid balance method, where they charge you interest based on how much you left unpaid at the end of the month. That's the most common way. Here we have the average daily balance. Average daily balance method is computing the finance charge on a credit card based on the average balance at the end of each day of the billing period. So they take how much you owe throughout the month, take an average of that, and then calculate the finance charge based on that. So let's get to this example real quick. Make sure you're paying attention to the formulas at the top of the note sheet. And so here, this is what in the book, this is what the table is going to look like, where you have your billing period. So from September 1st to the 10th, and the balance is $410. You have that for 10 days. So that is $4,102 at the end of that. So we are going to total up then the balance of everything. And then once we have all the totals here, we are going to divide that by the number of days. So here, look, we made a purchase, so the balance went up, right? Nothing happened for the next 9 days, but then we made a payment on the 21st, so the balance went down. And then for the next 9 days, the balance stays there. So we need to figure out this value here. So 386 times 9. Let me get my calculator going. 386 times 9 is 3474. All right. Then we need to add all these to get the totals. So 3474 plus 3386 plus 4824 plus 536 plus 4102. So this column, the sum of all the balance, totals out to 13,322. These totals, 10 plus 1 plus 9 plus 1 plus 9, that totals out to 30. That should make sense if you're paying attention. This is in September, so 30 days in September. So for part B, all right, what is the average daily balance? We are going to take that 13,322 and divide it by 30. So the sum of the balances divided by the total of days. So that comes out to 444.07 rounded. So 444.07 rounded. If the periodic rate is 1.5%, what is the finance charge? So the periodic rate, so remember, we need to take the, what is that? Sorry, the 1.5%, change it to a decimal. So that's 0.015. And then to find the finance charge, you are going to do the 444.07 times 0.015. Let me get my calculator out. So 444.07 times 0.015 is $6.66. $6.66. And then the last part here, what is the new value? So this is part C. Part D, take that unpaid balance. So the last end of day balance, so 386. And then add in the 666. So that comes out to 392.66. And that will do it for this lesson. See you guys next time.